but we'll certainly cover them for anybody that hasn't or doesn't or hasn't remembered what they are. But we've got perfect demand areas here. We've got perfect demand here. We've got perfect demand here. We've got perfect demand here. Plus, we've got the cash open volumes. We've got demand in here. 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 In other words, it's oil that's out of line. Oil is the market. It's out of whack here. Nothing else. Oil. So what's the problem? You might say, my God, get me long. What's the problem? Everybody's already long. That's what the problem is. Right? Everybody's already long. So getting long is going to be a problem. The market maker knows everybody's long. The market maker doesn't want everybody to be long because the market maker knows those guys are correct. So the market maker's job is to try and rotate this down to get a lower starting point to get into a possible long inventory position for themselves. And that means we start watching this price area here for sweeps. You can see they try and pump it. 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 And obviously they started to get some sellers coming in at states very sticky indeed, of course. Perfect example. They got some more on the stops here. That was the big trade that we shouted before it happened. We says if we can get that 75 print, we're all over this. I think that must be the trade that Steve got. We're all over this, and that's what I said. That's what I shouted. If we can get that 75 print, we're all over this when they pump the stops, get the sellers coming in, pouring in, and it's time to buy into this. And obviously the sweep away from that was glorious. And then when we started to see this diverging in the background, you can see quite clearly also that the dollar is well with us on that trade as well. And when we started to see this starting to appear here, this starting to appear here, this starting to appear here, of course, the buyers are now exposed. I'm now going to close out my positions and walk away at 12. 75 longs, 12's exit, 37 ticks of profit, guys. $370 worth of buy-side profits on that bit of business per contract on the swing. Now that is a good trade. And it was called live in the room as well, wasn't it? That's what makes it even better, because it was called live in the room.